Harvey published a research preview of Tenet. Tenet is a Kimi K3 base post-trained with fireworks. It almost doubles held-out task completion on the legal agent benchmark. It improves LAB contracts by about 20%. Harvey released the recipe but not weights or an API. The method co-optimizes cost and quality, but production use needs released artifacts. Tenet was post-trained with fireworks using synthetic, public, and human expert data. Harvey states no customer data was used. Tenet completes almost twice as many held-out tasks versus the base. It raises all pass rates by 9 points on LAB and 2 points on LAB contracts. Harvey reports state-of-the-art on LAB contracts and second on LAB overall. Harvey trained using asynchronous reinforcement learning. Tasks used partner-style instructions averaging about 50 words. A single rollout can exceed 1,000 turns. Rollouts were graded by an LLM acting as judge. Optimization used GSPO with a rank 64 LoRa. Training ran across about 1,750 environments and over 10,000 rollouts per epoch. Fireworks used token-level replay to keep MOE alignment. Tenet shows agentic post-training can give practical gains. Harvey reports co-optimization of cost and quality. Open base weights reduce token price, per Harvey. Reward shaping preferred shorter trajectories at same quality. But Tenet's weights and API are not published. Firms must wait or re-implement the recipe themselves. Models need GPUs. Which Neoclouds can run them, and what are the published prices? Marktechpost compared 5 Neoclouds. CoreWeave reported Q2 2026 revenue of $2.575 billion, up 112% year-over-year. CoreWeave active power is 1.5 gigawatts and contracted about 3.7 gigawatts as of June 30th. Nebius reported Q2 group revenue of $582.3 million and AI cloud revenue of $574.9 million. It targets 5 gigawatts of contracted power. Lambda closed a Series E above $1.5 billion. Crusoe reports 4.9 gigawatts contracted and a pipeline above 40 gigawatts. Groq licensed inference tech to NVIDIA in a deal reported at about $20 billion. Pricing snapshots from August 21, 2026 showed differences. CoreWeave lists H100 at $6.16 per GPU hour. Nebius lists B200 at $7.15 and B300 at $7.85 per GPU hour. Lambda lists B200 at $6.69 per GPU hour. Crusoe lists H200 at $4.29 and H100 at $3.90 per GPU hour. Nebius preemptible H100 at $2.15, CoreWeave spot H100 at $2.46. Groq Cloud uses per token pricing. No GPU hour list published. Map workloads to providers. Frontier Training 10.0 plus GPUs points to CoreWeave and Nebius with NVL72 experience. Mid-size tuning 16,512 GPUs suits Lambda one-click clusters and Nebius on-demand B200, B300. Budget experiments favor Nebius preemptible H100 or CoreWeave spot H100. High-volume, low-latency inference is Groq Cloud's LPU offering. Marktechpost published a LabPlot-style Python tutorial. It implements import smoothing, Fourier filtering, and peak detection. It performs constrained multi-Gaussian fitting with uncertainty estimates. Results export to PNG, PDF, SVG, and .lml style project files. Batch automation extracts fitted peak areas across sweeps. Limitations remain. Tenet's weights, model card, and API are not published. Independent replication needs the checkpoint or an API. Published GPU list prices understate deal economics. Nebius reports Q2 deals average more than $20 million per megawatt. Base pricing near $12 million per megawatt. Short-term clearing above $40 million per megawatt in Q3. Groq's NVIDIA GPU cluster offering is reported, but not yet public. Takeaway: Tenet shows agentic post-training can improve legal automation while co-optimizing cost and quality. Production use awaits weights or products. Choose Neoclouds by scale, price, and latency needs. Use LabPlot Python pipelines for reproducible experiments. Sources are in the description. Harvey Tenet article on Marktechpost. Best GPU, Neocloud's 2026 comparison on Marktechpost. Scientific LabPlot Python tutorial on Marktechpost.